am Angela Sharpe, and this is Pat McCurren with Mattress Direct. But Pat, this isn't Mattress Direct. Where are we?
Today, we are at the Campbell Mattress Factory in Cape Girardeau, Missouri, where all of the Campbell mattresses are built for Mattress Direct and other retail stores around the area.
I love this. You mentioned the last time I met with you that Campbell was kind of one of your big sellers at Mattress Direct, and it's made kind of locally.
So every brand is available at Mattress Direct, but Campbell mattresses, when you buy a bed that's built locally, you actually get more mattress for your money. So we can actually be good for the local economy, build a product locally, get it to you quicker, faster, and cheaper.
Oh, well, all these things sound good, and plus made in America is always good.
Yeah, we made in America, and we've built lots and lots of mattresses here. You can get a nicer mattress when you get one that's made locally. And so Mattress Direct has worked with Campbell to build a specific series of mattresses that guarantees you the most mattress you can get for your dollar.
All right, so are we going to be able to go inside and take a look around and see how it all works?
Yeah, let's go take a look at some of the equipment, how we build mattresses. You and I can talk about what would be a perfect mattress for you, and we can build you a bed today.
Oh, we get to build me a bed. Yeah. I love this. So we definitely are going to go in here and check it out and see what's going on. But people need to contact their local Mattress Direct to get their newest mattress.
Yeah, you can get a mattress, a Campbell mattress at any of the area Mattress Direct locations, or order online at stlmattressdirect.com.